Welcome to this morning meditation. Take this time to gently awaken your mind and body and set a positive tone for your day. Sit comfortably with your spine tall. Close your eyes if you'd like. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Now, bring awareness to your body. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw, unclench your hands. Allow your body to feel light and open, ready for the new day. Imagine the morning sun rising gently, filling the sky with golden light. See this light touching your face, your chest, your whole body. I am calm, focused, and full of positive energy. Today, I choose peace and happiness. Take another deep breath in and let it go. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this calm energy with you. Remember, every morning is a fresh beginning, and you are ready to shine.